how to download Benime app. So if you want to download Benime app, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Google or your browser, anything that you're comfortable with. Once you open up your Google, you need to just go with the search, and under search you need to search for Benime app. Once you search for it, here you will have the Benime application, right? So if it is available on your Google Play Store, then you can just simply tap on the Google Play and then you can install the application. But if you want the pro version, then you need to just search for Benime app Pro, and you'll have the application right here. You can just simply go with any website that you're comfortable with, and then you'll be able to download or install that. So click on Benime whiteboard videomaker.en, and it will take you to this kind of interface. You can just click on free APK download. So once you tap on it, then it will start the downloading process. Or you can also go with your Play Store and search for Benime, and here you will have the install option. You just need to simply tap on install and it will start the installing process. That's how you can install Benime app, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.